Hello everyone. So welcome to your own channel. Let's grow together. So today we are going to discuss about when to enter into a trade in case you have already entered, when to exit the trade and how to actually find the trend, whether it is bullish trend or bearish trend, because in market never goes in one direction. It will always confuse you. So how to actually find the trend and how to actually trade the trend. Okay, we are going to understand each and everything in this important video. Okay. So if you don't have any Demat account yet, no, so link is there right in the description box. You can click on the link, you can open the account and you can start investing in good fundamental blue chip companies. So let's start the video. So today morning I have given a message or a WhatsApp status to all my LGT members that whether I should be making any video regarding how to enter and how to exit the trade. So I have got some good responses from everyone and that is why I'm going to make this video by today. So in this important video, we are going to understand about Heikin-Ashi candle. Okay, how to use this, and in case you are going to use this, what are the advantages and disadvantages? And after that, in case you are going to use this, so how to actually find that? So we will actually do the practical thing as well in the charts. Okay, so let's start the video. So Heikin-Ashi candle, if you're going to see normally on a simple language, if you want to understand, so normal candle will show you the normal movement. Heikin-Ashi candle will show you the average movement of the stocks or average movement of those candles. So simply I will tell you that Heikin-Ashi will tell you the average movement, normal candle will show you the normal movement. This is the thing we should be understanding. So if you are going to use the Heikin-Ashi candle, so what are the advantage? So you can actually find the trend. So how to actually enter into a trade. Okay, so they will actually give you the clear cut direction whether it is bullish market or bearish market. Okay, if you are going to see if the stock is going to rise from here, you can actually find if you are going to see the Heikin-Ashi candle. And similarly, if any selling opportunity is there, no, so Heikin-Ashi will give you the signal. So from here the stock is going to fall. So we are going to see the same thing in practical in chart as well. Okay, so the disadvantage is that because as this Heikin-Ashi candle is an average of all the candles, so it is working slightly slowly. Okay, so normally it is not going to work on smaller basis. If you are going to do the swing trade, it is very much useful candles as well. Okay, so now we are going to see the actual practical thing what we should be doing in the chart and how to actually find the trend. So we will take 5 examples of the stocks. Okay, so now I have opened the chart of Medico. Okay, Medico. So you can see here that there is a slight collapsing regarding the movement of the stock. So some collapse is happening. See, if the stock is rising from here, some selling is happening. So we can actually get the actual thing that this is actually the moment, correct moment, or we have done the trading on wrong trend. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click on this candle pattern and we have to select Heikin-Ashi. So if you're going to select Heikin-Ashi, how beautifully this chart is showing here. So you can see here that here the price of Medico was 410 rupees. So when you are going to buy the stock here, there was no red color candle in between. The first red color candle has came at the price of 474 rupees only. Have you got it? So you can see here that there was no collapse or there was no confusion regarding the movement of the stock. So if you have bought at the price of 409, easily you could have sold at the price of nearly 475. So how beautifully Heikin-Ashi candle is showing you the movement. Okay, so the next candle we are going to see here. So this is the candle of Dabur. Okay, so you can see here the same confusion is here as well. You can see that there was no correct information, there was no correct knowledge that whether it is the stock is going to rise or the stock is going to fall, because stock is falling, some buying is happening, stock is falling, some buying is happening, stock is falling, some buying is happening, but there was no clear cut direction in the market. The same thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add Heikin-Ashi. Now you can see that if you're going to buy the level of nearly 529, you could have sold at the level of 536. If you're going to buy the level of 530, you could have sold at the level of 537. But here it has given you the buying at the price of 536. The next red candle it has given you at the price of 575. So now you can get that it will actually give you the trend whether the stock is going to be in positive momentum or the stock is going to be in negative momentum. Have you got it? So now you can actually ride the trend. So now you can see here that the next it has given the selling here, the stock has fallen. So stock has fallen from the level of 575 to nearly 566. Okay, and after that again the stock has given you the buying at the level of 567. The next, now the stock is trading at the value of 590. So there was no confusion regarding the movement of the stock. With the same thing, if you are going to do in the normal candle, you can see that it has given a selling signal. So someone will actually get collapse whether the stock is going to rise or the stock is going to fall. So this is the actual thing which you have to do into the market to actually understand the trend. Okay, we are going to see another example now. So this is the chart of Jubilee Food. Okay, so similarly the same thing is happening here. You can see here that at the price of 2830 it has given you the buying, but lot of confusion is there. See, the stock is rising, it is falling, the stock is rising, it is falling, the stock is rising, it is falling. So there is no clear cut direction. So now we are going to enter into Heiken Ashi. Now you can see here the stock has given you the buying at the level of 2776 rupees. So the first red candle which has been shown here at the level of 3122. Just think here, it has given you a tremendous movement, nearly 10% movement it has given you, and after that it has given you a selling signal. Okay, now again it has given you the buying at the level of nearly 3082, and the next signal it has given you the selling signal at the level of 3200. Okay, so now it has given you the it has given you the selling signal here. The stock has been fallen, and after that again it has given you the buying at the level of 3110, and it is going in the uptrend only. So this is very much or very easy to understand the trend of the market or trend of the stocks as well. So if you like the video, no, so do let me know into the comment box what you have liked in the video, and if this is going to be useful for you, you can give a small a love to me into the comment box as well. Okay, so once again I'm saying, if you don't have any Demat account yet, no, so link is there right in the description box. You can click on the link, you can open the account, and you can start investing in good fundamental companies. Okay, so let's grow together, let's wind up for the day.